Is the front door locked?
I don't know.
Well, you went out there.
Of course, it's locked, I guess. Alis na naman kami, guys. I did, hon. I did. They have food, but I don't care if they eat or not. Like, do I have to babysit them all the time? Alis na naman kami, and then magpunta na naman sa Walmart. Kasi parang everyday na lang, wala na kaming toothpaste. So, yun kaya, yun, kailangan namin magpunta doon, guys. So, andito kami ngayon sa tindahan. Sabi ko, Walmart sana yung puntahan namin, pero nainganyo ko siya na huwag na magpunta doon kasi sobrang layo, guys. So, yun, nandito siya, oh. Obviously, cat, like we just did cat treats. What the heck is wrong with you, hon? Hon, don't be
get a
ridiculous.
little one for that cat.
I thought you just did.
I got a
She likes it.
Yeah, come on.
Okay, so what you're getting? Okay, let's go get what we need here. Toothpaste. Toothpaste yung pinunta namin. Ay, nako talaga itong asawa ko. Kasi kailangan namin bumili ng toothpaste. Kasi wala na talaga kaming toothpaste. As in, empty. The one that we have. And then wala kaming nakatago. At ito yung ginagamit namin na toothpaste, guys. Hindi yung Colgate. Ito na siya kasi. What is why you did this, honey? It is why we use this one?
No fluoride.
No fluoride. So, kaya ito na yung gamit namin. So, nagkumpara na siya sa presyo. Ibalik niya ito. Punta na naman sa kabilang tindahan ng layo. Tipo. Ay, what is this you're getting? Coconut?
No.
Sweet. Gusto niya ng manamis-tamis. Bumili siya. And of course, for the dog, but for Tommy, really, Coke-Rats. Bili na naman siya. You want me to do it? Careful.
I'm surprised they got him on Sunday.
Gustong gusto talaga niya ito, guys. Look. Hala, be careful. Uy, don't put it in your plate. It's dirty. Tabi. Yun, guys, alas 7:40 na. Ngayon pa kami aalis, guys. Gutom na sa Inday MaryAnn. Perting gutoman na. Tamimoy is gusto ni Tami na naman daw kami ng pagkain sa labas, magbili. Ay, kung meron naman tayong mga salin-salin doon eh.
What are you saying?
Oh, I see. My husband is want to buy food. We have a lot of leftover. The week. Do you want me to make pasta when we get home?
No.
I can do it quick.
Where's the pasta?
I still have pasta. You don't even use the sauce that I just made.
I did. I used some of that on the pasta yesterday.
You like it?
Yeah.
Daming manok. Luto tayo para sa aso. Huh?
Get too fast, okay?
Yeah. It's okay, baby. Hey, do you wanna eat something?
No.
Hey!
It's too.
Punta kami sa appointment ng aking dudo. Meron lang siyang doctor appointment. It's still very early, Han. And it's not really far. Hi guys. Tara, punta na tayo sa ano ni Mister. Patingin ng mata. Kailangan niyang hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin. Pero yun, sana walang mangyayaring surgery ganun. Sana okay lang ang lahat. Yan. Pero bago kami magpunta doon, mag ano muna siya. Punta daw siya ng bangko. Mag-deposit ng kanyang pera. What do you have to check? You don't do hurry up?
I don't do hurry up.
So you did it? You deposit?
I did.
Okay. Did Roger call you back?
Nope.
Oh. So I guess I'm going this way. I'm going back to where I'm used to, okay?
No, it tells you where to go. You just follow it.
Yeah. So yun guys.
You just gotta turn your hand.
Alis kami. And of course, ang nangyari, very sila. I don't like it.
It's quacks.
They're doctor quack quack. It's like, oh, the doctor's not here. Your appointment is blah blah blah. Maybe you tell Roger that you can do.
Well, I turned down the job today already.
Oh, okay.
I'm not gonna turn down the other job. I got no work coming up.
Which one is important?
What?
Your eyes or
Yeah.
for 1 day, 2 days, no work? Anyway, guys.
Well, I'd rather pick a different day and have to drive to Middletown.
Okay, then it's a bit. I will try to go to Middletown. I don't like it here. We are in history. We should be in the main character.
Yeah, well.
We are home. So we are family, and my family, my son is waiting for me. Where is your sister? Where is Dimples?
Probably on the couch, yeah.
I love you. I love you. I love you so much. I love that boy. Anyway, so ngayon, Tommy have to maghanap na naman siya ng appointment kung kailan siya magpa-appointment. 1 o'clock na, guys. If you're ready to eat, you can eat. Tara guys, alis na naman kami and kita-kits tayo mamaya. Maulan, so kaya yun, papuntahan namin yung pusa. And I'll see you see you guys when we get back. Right, love? We are home. Huh? Oh, I'll take the box out. We're home. This is what we're gonna use for the cat, right?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Lavender. Yeah, I always do that, but when they get old, I used to forget it.
You, I used to like you having a collie, I'll let you get it. Well, that was it.
Hey, you don't even buy him a clang clang. That every time he run, we can hear them clang clang clang.
I like that.
Yeah, but he took it off. Hi, Amchi baby. No, look at her face. Hi, guys. How's my baby? We're home, guys. I can't find Dimples na. Dim is still there. Dim. Dim tinina. Hello. You're still here? I love you, baby girl. Hi, babies. Hi, Minky. Hi, Wonky. Where's your Daya, Wonky? Where is your diaper? Where is your diaper? Hello.